Hey folks, Chris here with BigCat Ranch. So today I'm going to show you some solar panels. These are the brand EcoWorthy, and I want to show you kind of what comes in a package of these 200 watt two panels, so 100 watt each. Just for the record, I'm not paid. This is not a promotional ad. I don't do reviews on products unless I have put them through a torture test of my own. So I'm not interested in doing stuff that like pumping someone else's tires unless I've rolled a few hundred miles on them to make sure that they actually work. So here's the time frame. I've put over 3 years on this kit, and this is another one. This is the second one I've bought, and I'll just show you here what's in the package. So I find they're very well packaged. Come with these corner protectors. I took this one off already, but yeah, that was there, covered with foam. Second one, obviously, I've gotten, and I had no issues with the shape of it when I got it. And I'll show you what's kind of in the package. So there's the first panel, and then the box underneath. So first of all, let me just show you the details of this panel. I wouldn't say they're overly, like, this is older technology, but like I said, been very solid for me. So these are 100 watts each. You can go look up. This is the model Eco M100 watt. So you can look them up if you're not interested and see what you think. But yeah, like I said, nothing. These are not, you know, super high efficient panels or anything like that, but they just work. Here's the box opening. So you get the connectors to where you go from, you know, the positive, negative, and then that runs, combines the two panels together. You get some wiring for the control panel, or for the charge controller. That's obviously for the positive lead, negative. I believe that's 10 feet, but don't quote me on that. And then you have this really simple little, which, to be completely honest, I love this little controller. It worked great for me on my one system, but it I didn't connect the power properly when I took it apart one time, and I cooked it. So that was completely my fault. So I have bought a new one for my other system, but this little controller has been good for me until I did something stupid and abused it. So that's there. These are the mounting brackets, just some stock brackets for the panels. I made my own, but you can use those if you want them. They do have a bit of a manual for it. Pretty self-explanatory though, plug and play. And if you just look, they give you kind of this little diagram here, if you can see this. Yeah, not great, but you can read the diagrams. Positive and negative on the left-hand side from the panel, positive, negative from the battery, and then you have positive, negative to whatever you want to power. Very, very simple plug and play system. So obviously you need a battery, and but this is kind of the start of setting yourself up for a solar system. So really simple. Again, I'm not paid. This is not a promotion from EcoWorthy. This is unsolicited. I have torture tested this for 3 years. The system has worked flawless. Only things I've ever had go wrong were my own fault, and so I'm just saying this you can buy with confidence. So anyhow, yeah, that's one of the things that I use on a regular basis here at the ranch.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.